You are one decision away from completely transforming your life. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or like you're not living up to your full potential, this is your wake-up call. This video is your step-by-step blueprint to breaking free from stagnation, building unshakable discipline, and finally creating the life you deserve. We all hit that point, the moment when we've had enough. Enough of feeling lost, enough of making excuses, enough of falling short of our own expectations. I know, because I've been there. Just a year ago, I was frustrated, unmotivated, and disappointed in myself for wasting time and potential. But then everything changed. Taking control. The shift happened when I stopped blaming my circumstances and started taking full responsibility for my life. In this video, I'll share the exact strategies I use to break free from bad habits, establish a routine that actually works, and build lasting discipline. This isn't about a quick burst of motivation that fades after a few hours. This is about real, actionable steps that stick. Let's dive in. Step 1. Recognize the need for change. The first step is radical honesty. Where are you falling short? Take a moment, grab a notebook or your phone, and write down 3 things. 1. What areas of your life need improvement? 2. What negative behaviors or habits will you no longer tolerate? 3. What past mistakes do you refuse to repeat? This is your wake-up call. Clarity is power. Without it, you're just stumbling in the dark. When I reached my breaking point, I made a list. I vowed to stop procrastinating, stop wasting time on meaningless distractions, and stop breaking promises to myself. That simple act of writing it down made my commitment feel real. It can do the same for you. Step 2. Remove what's holding you back. You can't build a better life while holding on to the things that drag you down. The first thing I did, I ruthlessly eliminated everything that was working against me. Unhealthy diet, processed junk, and sugary snacks were draining my energy and focus. Cleaning up my diet changed everything. I started fueling my body with real, nutritious food, lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. And the mental clarity was incredible. Cheap dopamine, mindless scrolling, binge-watching shows, excessive gaming, they were numbing my brain and stealing my motivation. Cutting these out helped me enjoy real life and stay focused on my goals. Toxic people. If you surround yourself with negative, critical, or uninspiring people, you'll struggle to grow. I made a conscious effort to distance myself from those who held me back, and the impact was immediate. Think of it this way. You can't pour clean water into a glass filled with dirt. Clear out the junk first. Step 3. Replace negativity with growth habits. Once you create space in your life, fill it with habits that push you forward. Here are the ones that changed my life. Clean eating. It's not just about looking good. It's the ultimate productivity hack. I started avoiding carbs during work hours to prevent energy crashes and save them for dinner instead. My energy levels became rock solid. Waking up early. There's something powerful about being up before the world. My morning started with a 6 a.m. workout, giving me time to focus, plan, and get ahead. Daily planning. Every night, I wrote down 2 non-negotiable tasks for the next day. Prioritizing key tasks helped me wake up with direction instead of wasting time figuring out what to do. Step 4. Read or listen to self-improvement books. If you're serious about changing your life, books are a secret weapon. They give you access to the wisdom of the greatest minds in history, people who have already solved the problems you're facing. And here's the best part. You don't even have to sit down and read. Audiobooks let you learn while driving, working out, or even doing chores. Trust me, this is a habit that will transform your mindset. Step 5. Build discipline through action. Here's the hard truth. No amount of planning or motivation will help you if you don't take action. Discipline is the bridge between wanting and achieving. Start small if you need to, but start. And on the days you don't feel like doing anything, and those days will come, remind yourself that these are the most important moments to show up. Discipline isn't about how you feel. It's about what you do. The more consistent you are, the easier it gets. Step 6. Set clear, specific goals. Without a clear destination, how will you ever reach success? Setting specific goals gives your life direction and makes it easier to stay focused. For example, instead of saying, I want to get in shape, say, I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Clear goals turn ambition into results because they give you a roadmap to follow. Step 7. Trust the process. Change doesn't happen overnight. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, and some days it might feel like you're not making any progress. But every small step matters. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. 6 months from now, imagine waking up feeling energized, disciplined, and focused. The bad habits that once controlled you are gone. You're hitting your goals, building confidence, and living a life you're proud of. But it all starts with one decision. Are you ready to take control? Taking control of your life is simple, but not easy. It requires eliminating distractions, building better habits, and staying disciplined even when it's tough. The only question that remains, how bad do you want to succeed? Hit that subscribe button and enjoy the journey to success.